Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload projects from Excel to monday.com. This process is quite simple and straightforward, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your project data with monday.com to manage your workflows more efficiently. If you're a Shopify store owner or you're juggling multiple tasks like product launches, fulfillment dates, and marketing schedules, this can help bring all your planning into one organized place instead of managing messy spreadsheets. Let's get started. First, you want to ensure you are logged into your monday.com account. Navigate to monday.com and log in using your credentials. Once in, look towards the upper region of your screen where you should see your profile icon. This is typically located right above in the interface, easily identifiable. Clicking on your profile icon will open a drop-down menu with several options, one of which is labeled Import Data. Go ahead and select Import Data to proceed. This is ideal if you're migrating information like supplier lead times, inventory spreadsheets, product tasks, or VA task lists directly into Monday so your team can start working on them collaboratively. As you follow these steps, you'll be taken to a new section of the site where you'll find various import options. Here, you need to click on the option labeled Excel, which is specifically for importing data via Excel spreadsheets. Selecting this will initiate the process to bring over your Excel data. So, if you have a master spreadsheet of products you're planning to launch, or a list of influencers you're working with for campaign partnerships, this is where that file will get transformed into a trackable workflow. Now, you will see a space where you can drag your file or click to browse. If you have the file handy, you can simply drag and drop it into this area. However, if you prefer, you can click to browse your computer's file directories and locate your Excel document. It's quite user-friendly, catering to whatever method suits you best. If you're working with a remote team, it might even be easier to keep files in shared cloud folders like Google Drive and download them when you're ready to upload. Additionally, if you're navigating through the monday.com workspace, you might notice a plus icon. Clicking on this plus sign offers another pathway to get to the import function, further showing how flexible the platform can be regarding user preferences. Once clicked, it will allow you to select Import Data from the ensuing options. This shortcut can be a lifesaver when you're already working inside a specific board and don't want to backtrack just to find the import menu again. After you've chosen your file using these steps, there's an additional step where you want to click on Excel Last CSV. This function helps clarify that you are indeed importing data of this specific type, aiding the system in correctly processing the information you've just provided. With your document now selected and confirmed as an Excel or CSV file, the platform will begin reading and integrating your data into its boards. For Shopify users, this means the spreadsheet you're used to looking at, whether it includes product SKUs, inventory arrival dates, or your monthly promotional calendar, suddenly turns into automated workflow items you can assign, color code, or even attach due dates to. Keep in mind the import process can take a moment depending on the size of your data. Once completed, you should see your projects beautifully populated in your monday.com setup, ready for you to manage, adjust, and collaborate on. You can then customize the columns, add statuses such as in progress or awaiting supplier, and even automate notifications so you never forget a task again. Remember, the key is in those initial steps to ensure your data format matches exactly what monday.com requires, offering a smooth transition from your existing Excel projects to an interactive digital workspace. There you have it, a straightforward method to transfer your projects from Excel into monday.com. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of monday.com's robust platform, setting the stage for more organized project management. Whether you're a solo e-commerce owner or running a whole team, this step can help you go from overwhelmed spreadsheets to clear, actionable plans. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and happy project!